Alright, I'm going to be doing question 13 of the 2015 Fermat exam. So it says, at the end of the year 2000, Steve had $100 and Wayne had $10,000. At the end of each following year, Steve had twice as much money as he did at the end of the previous year, and Wayne had half as much money as he did at the end of the previous year. At the end of which year did Steve have more money than Wayne? So this is essentially, it's a numeracy problem, and so what's happening with Steve here is $100 times 2 to the number of years that have passed. Whereas Wayne is going to be $10,000 times $10,000 divided by 2 to the number of years that have passed. So for example, if 2 years have passed, then Steve will have $400, and Wayne will have $500, Wayne will have $2,500. So let's say that 3 years have passed, then Steve will have 100 times 2 to the $3, which is 100 times 8, which is $800. Wayne will have 10,000 divided by 2 to the 3 dollars, which is going to be 10,000 divided by 8, which is 1,250. So that still doesn't quite work out. So after, let's try 4 years. So 4 years. Steve will have 100 times 2 to the 4 times 2 to the $4, which is 100 times 16, which is 1,600. And then Wayne will have 10,000 divided by 2 to the 4, 10,000 divided by 16, which is $625. So after 4 years, Steve will have more money than Wayne. So the answer is C, 2004.